Introducing the pinnacle of modern bathroom elegance, the bow behind-the-wall toilet, a hallmark of innovation designed for the contemporary home. The bow toilet suite redefines minimalism with its concealed cistern that sits behind the wall, creating a seamless look that complements any bathroom renovation. Experience unmatched hygiene with the open rim design, enhanced flushing power, and a spacious drop zone. Thanks to this smart engineering, you can say goodbye to the hassle of frequent cleaning. Its contemporary design features a soft-closed detachable seat, leaving nowhere for bacteria to hide. One of the biggest challenges of any bathroom renovation is the ability to colour match all of your products. Customised to your heart's content with our wide range of flush plate finishes, featuring extensive selections from both Geberit and Nero, you can ensure a flawless match with your other bathroom fixtures. Choose a bow behind-the-wall toilet suite, the preferred choice for homeowners and designers alike. Discover more about the bow range today.